you ever noticed that drill bits that are small in diameter, like 3/16 of an inch or smaller, break just about as easily as toothpicks, especially when you're working on metal? The bits are pretty small and they're attacking some pretty tough material, so they are going to break sooner or later. But here's a few quick tips that'll make them last a little longer. First, you never want to lean too heavily on the drill. Instead, exert a light to moderate pressure. And you want to back the bit out pretty frequently so that you clear the hole of any dust and chips. Now when you're holding the drill, place the butt in the palm of your hand so that your hand and forearm are lined up with the chuck and the bit. And you also want to be sure to not hold it too low on the handle, because that has a tendency to bend your bits and they will break more often. Now when you're working with wood, you can drill at a pretty high speed, but when you're working with metal, you need to slow it down a little bit. You'll also find that it helps tremendously if you put some cutting oil on your bit before you begin. Now when you're drilling on metal, if you ease up on the pressure right before you get through the metal all the way, then it'll keep your bit from jamming in the hole and snapping in two.